Hey guys, it's Kara, and today we're going to show you how to break down a whole lobster. Once again, I'm behind the camera, so my husband Greg is going to be demonstrating for us. Breaking down lobster can be intimidating, so we're going to show you a few different techniques using different tools. If you want to order a set of lobster tools off of Amazon, the link is in the description, but you can also do all this with some scissors and a rolling pin. So let's get started. First of all, let's get those claws off by twisting them away from the body. Next, separate the tail by twisting it and the body in opposite directions. It should come off pretty easily. Finally, get those little legs off by twisting them away from the body as well. For the claws, you're going to want to gently crack the shell so you can easily slide the meat out. You can do this with a rolling pin or with a lobster cracker. Take the little thumb off first and then slide the rest of the shell off, and then you repeat this with the other claw. The goal is to get the meat out in one piece, but this can take some practice, so don't be too hard on yourself if you don't get it the first time. The knuckles were the trickiest part. We basically ended up using scissors to cut them out as best we could, chalking this up to a c'est la vie moment on those ones. The tails went super smoothly. Take your scissors and cut vertically down either side. Peel the underside back and then grabbing the meat at the top and peel that off towards the bottom of the tail. It should come off in one beautiful chunk. Finally, the little legs. Lots of people discard these because they can be difficult to get the meat out of, but it's actually delicious meat, and this hack makes it super easy. First, cut the top where they attached to the body to make a clean line. Next, lie them flat on a cutting board. Starting at the closed end, slowly roll your rolling pin up the leg until the meat comes out the top all in one piece. And that's it, you're done. But that's it for us this time. We'll talk to you soon.